में I wish I were rich. So that exactly means since I'm not rich, so I'm not happy. इसको आप इस तरीके से भी सेंटेंस को लिख सकते हैं. इसी तरीके से अगर आप पास्ट अनरियल कंडीशन को स्टडी कर को सेंटेंस को लिख रहे हैं, विच सेज इफ़ यू हैड बीन हेयर लास्ट नाइट we would have enjoyed it. It means you were not there, so we did not enjoy. That's how you will infer the meanings out of the sentence. But अगर आप इसमें wish को use करेंगे, we wish that you had been here last night. So that simply means that you were not there last night, because you use the word wish when you are sure that that did not happen or that will surely not happen. So आप wish को as condition sentence use कर सकते हैं in case of unreal conditions. अब हम इसको कुछ एग्जाम्पल्स अपने एक सेंटेंस स्ट्रक्चर में भी देख लेते हैं. इन द फॉलोइंग रूल्स नोटिस दैट the word that is proportional, that is optional, right? This word that is optional. So in case of future wish, what the structure sentence will be, you will have a subject followed by wish. This that is optional, that's why it is written in parentheses. Then a subject, this subject can be same or it can be different, so we just made a different color, followed by these modal verbs. It could be could verb, it could be would with verb with verb in the present form, in continuous form, which is also known as gerund form. So the sentence structure would be, we wish that, which is optional, you could come to the party tonight. We wish that